Hey guys, Digital David here. Today I'm excited to be unboxing and reviewing for you a Sansi. This is a 50-watt RGB LED light. Really excited about this. This is the new and improved model versus the other light that I did that was not RGB. It was just white light. So really excited. This should have multiple colors and be really a cool device to open and use, and just excited to see what it's like. Sansi did send me this to review. They're a great channel partner here, but any opinion expressed in this video is my own. I'll put a link to this in the video description below. You can go ahead, do some shopping, check it out, see if it's the right product for you. Love their lights. I use their light bulbs in just about anything that I can. Really great. My studio lights, that sort of thing. Really happy. Great quality. They got some cool stuff. Go ahead, check out my other videos for their products and see if you like them. Or even check out that other shop light too and see if it's for you. But these can be used outside, that sort of thing. Whatever you need a light for, you can probably use this for. So really excited. We'll go ahead and we'll open it now. Sweet. So first thing, really nice. They send you these great congratulation cards and you can email them. Excellent customer service, great warranty stuff. Hold on to that. Here is a really cool outdoor LED floodlight manual. So it's just really awesome that they give you this nice instruction manual to show you how to plug it in, how to mount it, that sort of thing. There's measurements. Here's how to use the RGB dimming, technical parameters, cautions, 5-year unlimited warranty. So really awesome. A lot of different languages. Hold on to that too. First thing I see now is this awesome remote, which is really cool. We'll go ahead and take it out of its packaging and see. Okay, feels really nice. Let's see, are there any batteries in it yet? No batteries yet. It looks like it's going to take 2 AAA. So we'll set that off to the side for a minute. And then for the light itself, if it looks familiar, it should be. It's just like the other light that I unboxed, but again, it's going to have color to it. So we'll see if we can get it out. Set the box out of the way. So here it is. Really cool. Doesn't have a stand because, again, they show you how to mount it. That is the one thing that I think for this light, I personally don't have a lot of these stands laying around for like old work lights or anything. So it'd be nice to have a stand, or maybe at least a stand option is one of my observations. And then this one does not have, just like the other unit, did not have an on and off switch on the unit itself. I'm excited to see what happens with this remote when we plug it in and if it will work. So if that can turn it on and off, that's a game changer as well. So we'll go ahead now, we'll fire this up. All right, guys, I am back here. They did not include AAA batteries, so I went ahead and put some in. Make a note of that if you're purchasing this. I have plugged it in, and this thing is awesome. So this remote does turn the light on and off. We'll show you. Back on. Really quick, really responsive, as long as you're pointing at the light, as you can see how I'm doing that. This is so cool. So the remote is just got this nice little like brushed plastic at the top that just kind of makes it feel a little higher end, which is cool. But kind of going through this remote in a nutshell, you'll see there's a W, an R, a G, and a B. So I can cycle through what color do I want. So there's white, red, green, blue. And this thing's really bright. I dimmed all my studio lights but one, so you can see that. Then you can control, do you want it to strobe? The next one is flash. So it should cycle through and flash through a couple of different colors. Then fade. So I'd say fade is slower than flash. Again, it cycles through, I believe, 7 colors. And then smooth. And again, this light can be used outdoors, so this stuff's sweet if you want to get a couple of these to put around your house and kind of make a light show. Really awesome to have this remote. Then you got M1, M2, M3, and M4. So there's M1. Here's M2. M3. So it's just the same 4 colors that we've basically been dealing with rotating through. So then you have the up arrow and the down arrow, and that controls the brightness of the LED. Let me get it onto a solid color. We'll go back to white for a minute. So let's see if you can tell as I I believe that's down all the way, and then it'll increase its brightness. I'm not sure if you can fully see that on the camera. Oh yeah, you can. But you can control that. And then left and right arrows cycle through. I'm not having any luck getting it to cycle through the colors right now, but I'm too new to this light to just know if it's user error or a problem with the remote. But that being said, I'm not sure how often you're even going to use the left and the right arrows. I like the up and the down arrows to control how bright or how dim you want the light. And then again, you can select all the colors manually right here on the remote. There's 12 options right here that you can go through to choose. And they even got their own little color icon next to them so you can know. So this light is awesome. I love this remote. Huge improvement over the last model where mine did not even come with the remote. So the fact you can remote control this, turn it on and off, that sort of thing is really cool. You could even pair it probably with one of my outdoor smart sockets. Then you could have it on a schedule and a timer so you don't have to use your remote. So yeah, really awesome. This is by Sansi. Go ahead, check it out in my video description below. I'll have a link that'll take you right to it. Great products. Really love their stuff. So cool to have this light with all these different color effects and options. This remote is key right here to really make this an awesome product. Again, this is an outdoor LED floodlight that you can use, or a shop light, put it in your garage, that sort of thing. It's really awesome. Go ahead, check it out. Hit that like button, hit that sub button, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks.